All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be taking apart a motor. Yeah, that's right, a motor. Not your run-of-the-mill furnace motor, but a 3-horse 280, 230, or 230 460 volt 3-horse motor. It's a Beldor Reliance. It's an industrial motor made in the USA, and it weighs about 4 ounces less than a cow. Gonna weigh it up here just to see before we start. My brand new sticker on there, I think I'm gonna cover that with a piece of paper because this thing is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. We're on pounds and ounces. My fat belly was like 6 pounds already. Oh my God. Well, so much for that. All right, that weighs 58.8 pounds. 58.8 pounds. Holy balls. That's like almost a third of my weight. So with that said, let's get that off of there. Oh, we didn't even hurt the sticker. So I'll move this off to the side for now. They should make a wireless scale. That would be something good. Turn that off. Let's get the old gloves on, huh? So it's New Year's Day. I hope you all had a good, safe New Year's Eve. And yeah, New Year's Day. You will not believe what I got out of the garbage. It was so heavy that two of us, me and my buddy, we could not lift that thing high enough to get it on his tailgate of his truck. And there was nothing around to do a step up with it. And so I finally thought, I'll ask the neighbor kid who lives down below me, Paul, New Year's Day, he works for a gaming company that does all of the games and the bars and restaurants and all of that. And he said, sure, I'll run over there and grab that for you. So we went over there, and with that Tommy gate, we were in and out of there in like 3 minutes. And then he backed her right up to the garage and set the Tommy gate down into the trailer, and we unloaded it right off. No problem. Whole process took like 10 minutes. But it's something really cool, I think. And that'll be coming in an upcoming video, so stay tuned to watch that thing get ripped apart. Ugh. All right, this thing here is this end is cast. This is aluminum down here. This box on here is aluminum. The front plate is steel. Steel down there. Shaft is steel, but I think this bushing here, I think it's brass. I'm really not sure. And we got bolts here. It's yeah, it's gonna be a big one. So I don't know, I never took one of these apart. So I did go and loosen the screws up before we started this madness. All right, here we go. Are those gonna be real long? Oh yeah. I don't know why this drill is like dying. I had it plugged in, for gosh sakes. No, maybe I didn't. Ain't that wanting to come out of there. There we go. There we go. That looks like a normal job from a motor. Pull a nose out, right? All right, where's the hammer for? Woo, look at all that poop in there, huh? Holy moly. I should have known, because there's a grease zerk on here. Looks like we're gonna have a greasy mess to deal with. Oh, look at that. Yuck. All right, let's just check to make sure it's copper. And it is. It's copper. So, wonder if that bearing will come off of there, or if it has to come off of there. On this side, we got 4 bolts over here. Okay, well, should have cleaned all that grease out of there, Dennis. Come on. £58, man. Wish it was all copper. So we got them bolts taken out. I don't know what they do. Yeah, let me clean this up a little bit. She's a messy one. So, what do we do now? Do we pound this end? Does this pound off of here? Okay, that's gonna come off. Hopefully the stator and everything's gonna come out, or the rotor thing. I'm gonna have to spend an hour cleaning tools, for gosh sakes. So that's some heavy cast. Another one of these things on here. Yako. All right. We got that out of there. I wonder if I can get that off of there without making a big mess. Well, I guess now I can see if that's brass, and if it's brass, then I'm gonna do more. Otherwise, I think I'll just put that right in the shred or heavy metal or just because she's so greasy, you know. All right, this front part is brass, and the back part isn't. I don't know how we're gonna get that off there. I may have to cut that. Oh, look at that. That came out of there. And I think that's aluminum, cast aluminum. Oh, God. Woo, God, can you see the mess I got going on here? Oh, jeez. Good thing I brought down a new roll of paper towels this morning. Oh boy. Should leave that all on there. It weighs more that way. It's like a horseshoe. All right, well, so we got a little piece of cast. Now this thing, is that gonna come off of there? Yes. Whew. All right, well, should I attempt to cut that brass bushing off of there? I think I can do it. Oh, Dennis, don't touch that. Don't touch that, Dennis. It's all full of grease. I wonder if I could take a punch now and hit that and spread it a little bit to get it off. Do you remember which drawer the punches are in, Dennis? No. There we go. One brass bushing right there. All right, now this can go into shred or something. Yeah, we'll put that there. I'm gonna take a little quick break here and clean some of this up, and I'll be right back with you. It's a huge stator. See if we can take this off. Shred. Lots of wires on that motor to be able to get it to run at the different voltages. Okay, some more cast here. Thought I had this cleaned up. All right, let's cut them wires out of the way. Go in there. All right, what is going to be the best place to cut this thing? I'm thinking right along there where them fins are, huh? Oh, look at that big chunk of grease. Oh, baby, that's heavy. Probably be the easiest to cut right there, huh? Are you nodding your head yes? Hopefully this blade's good enough. Alrighty, could tell that was cut open, huh? Ha! She popped good. Give that a little bend, maybe. She don't want to slide out that way. Gotta turn her over. There we go. So, there she is. Put that in shred. Lots of nice copper on that baby, I would say. What a greasy mess. Maybe because it's so greasy, maybe the copper will pull out of it easier. I don't know. It's all grease in here. I think that grease would short it out or something. Well, there's a difference right there. So, yeah, quite the motor. So we got that. We got some cast aluminum. We got some more shred, I would say. I mean, you could do heavy metal, but I just don't have the room to store it up, and you know, so you can take it in. So I wind up getting hosed selling it for shred prices. And a little cast aluminum here. So 2 pieces of cast aluminum, a gigantic stator. It's almost 9 inches, probably 8.5 inches. Put that in a cast bucket. Nice little chunk of brass. Another chunk of cast aluminum here. I gotta clean up after Get all that grease off it. So, if you are one of the new subscribers and for some reason it's the last 2 weeks it's just gone nuts and a lot of you have subscribed, I hope you'll take a look at my channel page and see if there's more videos that I could convince you to watch. And be sure to watch another one of the videos that's on screen right now.